Welcome everyone. Today, we are going to talk about a philosophy that has been around for over 2,000 years but is still relevant in modern times. Stoicism is a way of life that can help us navigate the challenges and uncertainties of the world with grace and resilience. Stoicism is not just a set of beliefs or ideas, it is a practical philosophy that can be applied to our daily lives. By focusing on what is within our control and accepting what is outside of our control, we can develop a sense of inner peace and contentment. In this presentation, we will explore the basic principles of Stoicism, the benefits of practicing Stoicism, and the practical techniques that can be used to apply Stoicism in daily life. Stoicism is a philosophy that emphasizes the importance of focusing on what is within our control and accepting what is outside of our control. This means that we should not waste energy worrying about things that are beyond our influence, but instead focus on developing our own character and inner strength. One of the key principles of Stoicism is the idea of living in accordance with nature. This means that we should strive to live in harmony with the world around us, rather than trying to control or dominate it. By accepting the natural order of things, we can find peace and contentment in our lives. Practicing Stoicism can lead to a multitude of benefits, including increased resilience in the face of adversity. By focusing on what is within our control and accepting what is outside of it, we can develop a sense of inner strength that allows us to weather any storm. In addition to resilience, Stoicism can also improve emotional regulation. By learning to detach ourselves from our emotions and observe them objectively, we can better manage our reactions and make more rational decisions. This can lead to greater inner peace and a sense of calm in even the most challenging situations. Stoicism is not just a philosophy, it's a way of life. By practicing techniques such as negative visualization, self-reflection, and mindfulness, individuals can apply Stoicism in their daily routines and improve their overall well-being. Negative visualization involves imagining worst-case scenarios and preparing oneself for them, which can help reduce anxiety and increase resilience. Self-reflection involves examining one's own thoughts and behaviors to identify areas for improvement and growth. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment and accepting things as they are, which can lead to greater inner peace and contentment. Stoicism is a philosophy that emphasizes the importance of focusing on what is truly important in life. By accepting what is outside of our control and directing our attention to what we can control, we can develop a sense of inner contentment and greater happiness. Research has shown that practicing Stoicism can lead to increased resilience, improved emotional regulation, and greater overall well-being. For example, studies have found that individuals who practice Stoicism are less likely to experience anxiety and depression, and more likely to report feelings of gratitude and fulfillment. In conclusion, Stoicism is a philosophy that can provide numerous benefits in our daily lives. By focusing on what is within our control, accepting what is outside of our control, and practicing practical techniques such as negative visualization, self-reflection, and mindfulness, we can become more resilient, emotionally regulated, and content with our lives. Furthermore, Stoicism can lead to greater happiness by helping us develop a sense of inner contentment and focus on what truly matters. As Marcus Aurelius once said, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." So let us all strive to cultivate positive, constructive thoughts and embrace the principles of Stoicism in our daily lives. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.